Good morning or good afternoon, boys and girls. This week we're going to be studying about the Earth's motion, rotation, and revolution. And what you're supposed to be learning this time is that the Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, which is the reason why we have a day. And this causes the day and night cycle that repeats over and over and over. And it also is responsible for the reason why you can see the sun appear to travel across the sky. The sun appears in the east and it appears to disappear in the west. The sun really actually doesn't move, we know that. It is the rotation of the Earth that causes that. So here we go. The major concept is that the Earth spins or rotates on its axis, and it takes 24 hours, a full day, to do one rotation. This means that half of the Earth is lit and half of the Earth is dark all the time. The lighted side we call daytime, and the darkened side we call nighttime. Now, rotation makes the sun and all the stars in the sky to appear to move. Here is a picture of looking up at the sky. It's what we call a time-lapse video. What they do is they leave the camera on and the aperture open for a long time, and you can see that things appear to rotate around a certain point. Now, our sun and other stars do not move in relation to the Earth. They stay put and the Earth turns on its axis. Now, because of the rotation of the Earth, we can see these cool pictures. Now, the thing that you're looking on the right is the reason why the sun appears to come up on the east, which is the rising side, and on the west, that's what we call the setting side. So if you're sitting down or you're looking up at the sky, the sun will appear on your left and will disappear on your right. Now, how does the Earth move? This is the revolution around the sun, and it causes the seasons. This is the real reason why we have the seasons. Now, the revolution or the orbit of the Earth around the sun actually takes 365 and 1/4 days. That's how long a year is. That little quarter adds up in 4 years to an extra day, which is the day that we have to add for leap year. So in this model that you're looking at, these are the positions of the season. Now, what you're looking at should be more of a circle than it looks here. This is one problem with the model. But it shows you where the summer, where the fall, or winter, and the spring is. And it shows you that the axis of the Earth, which is at 23.5 degrees, always maintains itself in the same direction, which is why the sunlight in summer is more direct on the northern hemisphere and more direct on the southern hemisphere in winter. Now, here we go. The revolution around the sun causes these seasons to occur. Now, this is because of the angle and the concentration of the sunlight, and this determines the temperature of the Earth at that place and at that time of the year. That's what we call the seasons. Okay, so this is just another more sophisticated model for you to see. Now, we're going to go over here and we're going to show you a real funny video of some crazy guy doing a model of the sun, the Earth, and the moon.
Teacher, are we not going to study today?
Yes, we are going to study, but through a game. Through this game, we shall try to understand how the Earth moves.
Wow!
Arun, come and stand at the center of the circle. Ria, come and stand on the circle. Very fine. Now let's begin the game. Ria, spin around yourself. Wonderful! Ria is rotating. This movement of spinning is known as rotation. Earth also rotates like this. Now, Ria, keep spinning and go around Arun. Very good. Children, now Ria is going around Arun. This movement is called revolution. Look at this picture of the Earth. The Earth is moving around itself. This movement is known as the rotation of the earth. The earth also moves around the sun. This movement is known as the revolution of the earth. What are the two movements of the earth? Rotation and revolution are the two movements of the earth. Now let us carefully observe one complete rotation of the earth. Now we shall observe one complete revolution of the earth. Which of these movements takes less time? Rotation or revolution? The earth takes less time to complete a rotation and more time to complete a revolution.
How much time does the earth take for one rotation?
The earth takes just 1 day for a complete rotation. As the earth takes 1 full day for spinning around itself, the rotation of earth is known as the daily motion.
How many hours are there in a day?
There are 24 hours in a day. These 24 hours are divided into daytime and nighttime. From sunrise to sunset, sunlight falls on the earth. It is bright everywhere. The bright period of the day is called daytime. From sunset to sunrise, we do not see the sunlight. It is dark everywhere. The dark period of the day is called nighttime. Daytime and nighttime make a complete day.
How much time does the earth take to complete one revolution?
The earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. 365 days make 1 year. That means the earth takes 1 year to complete its revolution. As the earth takes 1 full year to make a complete round around the sun, its revolution is known as its annual motion.